You've been lied to. And if you believed even one of these crypto lies, it could be the reason your wallet is bleeding, your trades are failing, and your confidence is gone. But here's the thing, it's not your fault. Today, I'm exposing 5 brutal lies the internet, influencers, and even some big exchanges don't want you to know. Stay with me till the end, because before the end of this video, I'll give you a bonus truth that could literally protect your next investment. Lie number 1. Crypto is a get-rich-quick scheme. If you still think crypto is a shortcut to wealth, congratulations, you're the target. This lie is everywhere. You'll see TikTok traders flipping $100 into $10,000 without showing the losses. You'll hear Telegram group admins shouting, "Next 100x gem." Even YouTube thumbnails scream, "Buy now or stay poor." But the truth? Most of those quick flip coins are pump and dumps. The early guys get rich by dumping on late buyers.
Oh my God!
And most retail traders, like 90%, lose money in the long run trying to chase these plays. The real path to wealth in crypto is strategy plus discipline. Understanding the cycles, holding quality assets, and managing risk. In 2021, people bought Shiba Inu at its peak, and most are still down 70 to 90%. But those who held BTC and Ethereum from 2020 are still up massively. Lie number 2. If it's on Binance, it's safe. Just because it's listed on Binance doesn't mean it won't crash to zero. Let's be clear, Binance is the biggest exchange in the world. Bybit, Gate.io. They're all massive platforms. But their business is volume and liquidity, not protecting you from bad projects. Being listed is not equal to being safe. Here's what most people don't realize. Exchanges often list coins that bring hype and trading volume. They make money from fees, not whether the token succeeds. And once listed, price is controlled by supply, hype, and early investor unlocks, not quality. In the last 12 months, coins like SUI, ID, and Turbo were all hyped during listing, and then crashed 70 to 90% after early buyers dumped on the public. So no, listing equals exposure, not protection. Do your own research always. Lie number 3. You don't need to understand the tech. If you're investing in something you don't understand, you're not investing, you're gambling. This is a mindset trap. New investors think, everyone's talking about Solana or ZK Sync, I'll just throw money in. But they don't understand the utility, the tokenomics, or even why the project exists. If you don't understand what the project solves, how it makes money, who owns most of the supply, what the vesting or unlock schedule is, then you're throwing darts blindfolded. And when price drops, you panic, you sell, you regret it. But when you understand the fundamentals, you don't panic. You accumulate smartly. You wait for the right moment. That's how real investors win. Lie number 4. It's too late to make money in crypto. The biggest wealth shift of our generation is still happening, but you're being told you missed it. This one hurts the most, because it stops people from even trying. Crypto isn't just Bitcoin and Ethereum. We're still at the beginning of Web3 identity, decentralized AI, real-world assets, RWAs, on-chain, blockchain gaming, zero-knowledge proofs. Every bull run brings new infrastructure, new narratives, and new winners. Even BTC isn't done. New ADHs are possible, and adoption is still under 10% globally. So no, it's not too late. It's only too late if you wait until the hype returns. Lie number 5. Crypto is completely anonymous. Think your wallet can't be traced? Think again. The blockchain remembers everything. This lie is dangerous, especially to beginners. People think using crypto equals privacy. But blockchains are transparent. Every single transaction is recorded forever. And if your wallet is linked to your Binance or Gate.io KYC account, it's traceable. Governments use blockchain analytics firms like Chainalysis to trace illicit funds and tax evasion. Yes, there are privacy coins, like Monero or Mixers, but those come with risks and limitations. And they're becoming targets of regulation too. Don't assume you're invisible, especially if you're operating in risky or gray areas. Bonus truth. The most dangerous lie is, everyone is getting rich except you. This one lie has pushed more people into FOMO, scams, and bad trades than anything else. Social media is fake. People post wins, not losses. You'll see a trader brag about turning $1,000 into $5,000, but they won't show the $8,000 they lost last week. This lie creates panic, shame, and impulse. You start thinking, why not me? I'm missing out. So you jump into coins without research. You buy tops. You chase trends. And then it crashes. But remember, real wealth is quiet. Most of the people who made money in crypto did it by being early, informed, and patient, not loud and lucky. The truth is, crypto can absolutely change your life, but only if you stop falling for the lies. Hit that like button if you've believed even one of these before. And let me know in the comments, which lie messed you up the most. I've got more no BS truth drops coming, so subscribe and turn on notifications. This is not hype, this is real talk. And it's just the beginning.